AI server for everything. So we are not much into the servers, but if you see the telecom sector, or if there is a data-driven sector, they have lots of data, and they have, for each server it's very costly. So cloud server is somewhere which is very far off, and you keep accessing it, and you have to pay some normal rent for that. And this is the safest way because all your data is at one place and you can keep accessing to it.
Like she has explained about cloud computing, IoT, robotic process automation. So those things, so which were never, they were very much new technologies where we'll be getting more demands. So that's what we understand. And as per me, what I say is a recruiter should know at least a basic technical knowledge or technical skills. So that
I think it was a pretty informative session, especially for people like us who belong to the recruitment industry, so that we can understand what exactly the client is looking at, what is the future of the recruitment standards which the clients are now expecting. So this information or this session helped us with the information as to what exactly we can expect in the future, what are the new trends in the market, and it helps us keep armed ourselves with respect to the client requirements.